Before using the AI tracking sensor, please turn on the phone's Bluetooth settings and connect to the gimbal Bluetooth. The LED screen will display a Bluetooth icon, indicating a successful connection. Attach the AI tracking sensor to the top of the gimbal's phone clamp, ensuring it is correctly slotted into the groove. It can be installed on either side. To switch to portrait tracking, double-click the gimbal's shooting button. Avoid installing it at the bottom or left magnetic position of the phone clamp. Press and hold the AI tracking sensor's power button to turn it on. The indicator light will default to a steady blue, with gesture recognition turned on by default. Show an OK gesture to the camera to start tracking. The indicator light will turn steady green. If it fails to lock onto a person, the green light will flash. Show the OK gesture again to stop tracking. Show a thumbs up gesture with both hands to the camera to switch between landscape and portrait modes. Show a palm gesture to the camera for automatic shooting. The indicator light will change to flashing white. After flashing 3 times, it will automatically take a photo or video. You can also use buttons to control tracking and gesture control functions. Single-click the M button to start tracking. Once tracking is turned on, double-click the M button to turn off gesture recognition. The indicator light will turn steady yellow. If it fails to lock onto a person, the yellow light will flash. When gesture recognition is off, tracking remains active, but the thumbs up, OK, and palm gestures will not be recognized. Double-click the M button again to restart gesture recognition, indicated by the green light. This function prevents misrecognition of gestures during live streaming or recording, ensuring normal shooting. When using AI tracking, the app tracking function will be turned off by default. At this time, the remote control's motion control and inception mode functions are not available, to avoid gimbal shaking. When switching between landscape and portrait modes during tracking will pause for about 3 seconds due to the camera angle change before resuming.